Works with all models of Smittybilts XRC8, XRC10, XRC12 XRC15 winches. Did you run over your winch's remote? Don't laugh, it happens. That among a ton of other things can happen to destroy your winch's remote. Don't sweat it, Smittybilt has you covered with this direct replacement unit. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Good quality controller with a bayonet-style connection plug. I needed a replacement for my old mile marker E12000 controller that had become damaged with age. The controller still functioned, but the silicone top had dried out and cracked so the water and mud could get into the push buttons. First I contacted Milemarker and they were no help as they used the bayonet-style plug connector for only a couple years. So I went looking at other brands and it appears Westin, Smittybilt and T-max all make a controller with a bayonet plug. The Westin and some model Smittybilts actually had handles like my Milemarker, but I didn't like the red rocker switch. This XCR controller though has a nice rubberized toggle switch that I like. It happens to be wired the same as my Milemarker controller, so it functions as it's labeled. I notice that the seller photo shows the red rocker switch, but what you get is the black rubberized toggle. I own the Smittybilt XCR front and rear bumper, winch plate, roller fairlead, rocker guards, header bar and bikini top. All are quality items and I expect this controller will be as well.